Hey guys, what's going on? I just wanted to show you guys my favorite shave cream. When I shave my legs, I try to use shave cream instead of soap because I suffer from eczema. Not severely, I just have I have it mildly, I'll get a little breakout here and there, and it's usually on my legs, so I try to use something that's going to be very mild and gentle and as natural as possible. So this is Pure Silk Spa Therapy Shave Cream. I know you guys have probably seen like Gillette and stuff before, and I've used all that, but this one I really like. Just like a white, foamy, thick shave gel. This one, they have different kinds. I purchased the coconut and oat flower, and the oat flower soothes skin, so that was perfect for me because I do have the eczema breakouts and they tend to get very itchy. So this just kind of helps soothe that, and smooth glide formula protects and nourishes your skin. So, and it also has a rust, as you could see. I would buy just some other brands and the bottom would just get rusty from sitting in my shower or whatever. But that's not the case with this. This is actually really rust proof like it says, which is nice, so it doesn't stain your shower. Usually with the rust, it'll come off here and then you'll have to scrub it off and it's just a pain in the neck. Usually it's not completely permanent, but still it's kind of annoying. So they have this in bigger sizes, I believe. I tried the 5 ounce. When I want to try a product and I'm not sure about it, I usually go for the smaller size because then I'm not stuck with the larger if I don't like it or whatever the case is. But I think it's more cost effective to buy a bigger size. So from now on, I will probably be doing that. Pure Silk Spa Therapy Shave Cream calms and soothes. It's formulated with oat flower, aloe, which also really helps soothe skin, especially now in the summer. If you get a little bit of a burn and then you gotta shave over it, that's annoying. This won't irritate your skin. I've never had, and I have very, very sensitive skin, which I should mention on top of having the little eczema breakouts. Anything will irritate my skin. This I never had a problem with at all. It just really soothes and calms your skin like it says. It does what it says it's gonna do, which is nice. The rich and moisturizing smooth glide formula leaves your skin feeling smooth as pure silk. Directions: just shake hand and hold upright, press top to release lather. And for an exceptional shave, pair with new Pure Silk razors, which I have not tried yet, but I certainly plan to. It is paraben-free, made in the US. Always nice to support your country. I like to buy products that are made in the US if I can. And does not test on animals. That's also something that's important to me, and I'm so happy because I keep seeing more and more products that don't test on animals, and that's definitely something that I look for, and that makes me happy if a product doesn't test on animals. And then just has all the ingredients on here. It does have added fragrance, so I guess in that sense it's not natural, but like I said, it's just this product has worked really well with my sensitive skin, and for that I'm happy and will continue to use it. Do not store where temperature may exceed 110 degrees Fahrenheit. It'll probably explode. Oh, keep from freezing. Keep out of reach of children. Mine just sits in the shower, honestly, or if I have extra, I'll just leave it in the bathroom cabinet until I'm ready to use it. So like I said, it does smell wonderful. I'm gonna shake it up and pour some out. It is it's a really nice thick foam, which is awesome because how many times have you cut yourself shaving your legs? I know I have literally scars from it on my legs, and that was a time when I stupidly used a cheap Bic razor, which I never use. I hate Bic razors. And not shaving cream. I probably use soap or something like that. So this has a really thick, smooth consistency. It literally feels like cake icing. That's what it reminds me of. And it's so smooth and it just feels so good on your leg. And I actually just shaved my legs with this right before doing this video. So skin feels really smooth. I'm a little blotchy right now. That's just from going to the beach and stuff like that. But definitely has my skin feeling really soft and smooth and everything like that. And I just love the consistency. It smells so good. It really does smell like oat flower and just a little bit of a floral scent. It smells so good. And then of course it has the coconut scent in there because it's coconut and oat flower. Yeah, it's this Pure Silk Spa Therapy Shave Cream. I hope you guys try it out, and I hope you really enjoy it. I think the bottle's so nice too, like the little design on it's cool. It makes it unique from other products on the market. And then, like it says on the back, try it with the Pure Silk razors, which I have not done. I tried it with my regular Intuition razor, so next time I'll be trying that. And I hope you guys try it out, and I hope you love it. Have a good one, guys.